Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down another important part of the National Electrical Code, NEC Article 110.7, which is all about the wiring integrity. It sounds technical, but don't worry, we'll explain everything in simple terms. Let's get started. NEC 110.7 focuses on the integrity or safety of electrical wiring once it is installed in a building. After the wires are put in place, we need to make sure they are safe and functioning correctly. This section is all about avoiding dangerous issues like short circuits, ground faults, unpermitted ground connections. So now let's take some time to dive into each of these so you can get a clear understanding of what I mean. A short circuit happens when electrical current takes an unexpected or unsafe path. For example, imagine a live wire touching a neutral wire. Instead of electricity flowing along the designed path, it rushes through that unintended shortcut. This can cause overheating, fires, or damage to electrical devices. It's a big no-no. In simple terms, a short circuit is like a shortcut that electricity shouldn't take, and it can lead to a serious problem. A ground fault occurs when electricity flows outside its intended path, usually by touching something grounded, like a metal water pipe or even a built-in metal frame. Let's say a live wire from a light fixture touches a metal beam on the wall. Now that metal beam can become energized, and if somebody touches it, they could get shocked. Ground faults are dangerous because they can lead to electrical shocks and even cause fires. Lastly, unpermitted ground connections happen when a wire is connected to the ground in the wrong way. Normally, the ground is like a safety valve, allowing excess electricity to safely flow into the earth. If the wire is wrongly connected to the ground, it can unbalance the system, leading to potential hazards. In simple terms, grounding is meant to be a safety feature, but improper connections can make the whole system unsafe. NEC 110.7 was created to ensure that electrical systems remain safe over time. When wiring is done right, short circuits, ground faults, and improper grounding connections are avoided, which means safer buildings. This rule is all about reliability. We want to make sure that electricity flows through the right paths, and we prevent electrical dangers like fires and shocks. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you are wiring a new house, and the electrician runs wires through the walls to connect outlets, light switches, and other devices. After the installation, here's what the electrician needs to check. No short circuits. Wires shouldn't touch each other. Don't touch. For example, no live wire touching neutral wire. 2. No ground faults. Wires shouldn't touch grounded parts like metal pipes. If they do, it could energize the metal, posing a shock risk. 3. Proper grounding. The wires need to be correctly connected to the ground to safely redirect excess electricity. After everything is tested and verified, the wiring system is considered to have integrity. That means it is safe, reliable, and won't pose hazards down the road. So to wrap things up, NEC 110.7 is about making sure electrical wiring stays safe and functional after it is installed. It ensures that the wiring doesn't have any issues like short circuits, ground faults, or improper grounding. This rule is essential because it helps prevent electrical fires, shocks, and damage to your electrical system. By following this rule, we keep the electrical systems reliable, safe, and long-lasting. Remember these key points from everything I said. Short circuits happen when electricity takes an unintended path. They're dangerous and it can cause fires. Ground faults occur when electricity flows to the wrong ground, which can shock people. Unpermitted ground connections mean the ground is used incorrectly, making the whole system unsafe. By making sure your wiring is safe and follows these rules, you'll ensure a reliable, safe electrical system that will keep your home or building secure for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe and make sure your wiring has integrity.